Hi friends, and this is our new tutorial about the Instagram app. Today we will show you how to create new highlights on your account. So if this topic is interesting, let's go to watching. So let's go to our profile page, and this highlights option is very convenient in usage and very cool because you can save the selected Instagram stories you like and customize your profile in this way. It's very cool and very helpful features. So how to manage it and how to create a new one, we just need to pick on this plus icon, which is on the top, on the central definitely bar of your account. Let's click on it, and later you will get access to the whole list of your Instagram stories. This is the whole catalog and the whole history of your stories. So let's pick on the dots of the selected stories you want to add to the highlight. I will choose this one and pick on the next bottom. Remember about this edit cover feature, which can help you customize your highlights and make it more interactive. Remember that you can also use the picture of some of your Instagram stories, but we will have this specific option to choose a new image from the gallery app, which is very cool. So I will use the filter because I want to go to the favorite section and I want to set this image. Let's press down at the top 2 times to save changes. Also, you can add some name, some title for your highlight, and it will be something like, I don't know, cool, some easy as an example, and press add to save these changes and check the result. Refresh our profile page on it, and as you can see, we have successfully saved highlight. Let's click on it to check. As you can see, we have 2 different stories which I add, and well done. Guys, don't forget about likes, and right now I hope that you know how to create these highlights to customize and personalize your profile. I hope that this video was interesting. Bye bye!